What's up, guys? Here today we are doing another one. And which one are we doing? Let's check. It is the Blizzard, which I have never seen. So we're gonna try this out now. Yeah, let's see how cool it is. Obviously, I just record for 10 minutes around that time, and I just do the same mini game in a mini game, which is in Skywars. See how good we can use snowballs to kill the people. Okay. Dig snow for ammo. Okay, that's actually cool. I rate that. So I have never seen this one played before. Oh, this guy's killing me. I'm gonna be really good at this one, I feel like. I'm already good at it. Yep, I already killed him. And then reload. Wait, if I went like that. It says break snow to reload ammo. You know, I'm not gonna talk about that. Anyways, let's get that and armor and more of that, and yeah, I can be a snowman. All right, no, for real. I'll have Casper the Friendly Ghost be right here. Wait, I mean Frosty the Bowman. Frosty, don't let me down. Okay, let's see here. How can we make this quicker? Okay. I'm grinding. I'm on the grind here. Okay, finishing up here. It's boring. Okay, now I got a good amount of snowballs, and now I just gotta hope that I don't go in there. Go to the center island. Oh, I have to? Come on, has there been a refill? There's gotta be a refill. Ow. Okay, I did not know about that, okay? So, okay, I did not know about that, okay? I could have just went to mid the entire time and just been like, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Alright, guys, we are in the next and what I have chosen to be the last round of this episode. Just, I don't know, it's gonna be less than 10 minutes this time. In fact, maybe even way less. But I don't know, it's just very laggy. It's not laggy anymore, but it was. I don't know, I don't know. But I'm gonna make Jasper, you deserve to live. Oh my gosh, I just burped. What am I? Am I human? Okay, let me have this and put this on and put down the region just because I won't have time later. And do this. Spawn iron golem. Okay. I'll spawn a snow golem. I'm completely fine with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna camp over here until, of course. Wait. I don't need to camp. In fact, I'll just go. Oh crap! All right, that won't be last round. Actually, cause I've only gotten 1 kill for this, and I want to do better than that. This is gonna be different. A frozen tiki, I'm not complaining. That's actually cool. It makes someone actually like tiki for once. No one likes the map. Alright, 3 people said good, and some people said goo. So I don't understand what life is at this point, but life's hard. Okay, life is weird and hard and stuff like that. Something around that line. I don't know. I don't know, but something like that. I don't know how it goes. Okay, no, but for real, ow, okay. This guy's killing me. You can talk about this man. Let me kill the snowman, and then let me kill this guy. Oh, hit him with some snowballs, though. Okay, hit him with the snowballs. Just zero click. Oh, how is he not dead yet? I've hit him so much. Oh, dang, that was not enough for him. So obviously I gotta keep on doing this. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna get that, and yeah, so let's see if I can get this going. Oh my, okay, this guy better not hit me. This guy better not hit me. Okay, we're good. Okay, still does KB, that's good. I wonder if you can hit someone with, like, I don't know. Alright, well. Oh, ow, that hurts a lot. Oh, boom. So that's all my snow. So, oh, someone just kill. Alright, I'm going to Center Island. Peace. Peace out, sucker. Oh, I'm leaving. Bye-bye.
Wow.
Have a nice day. I'm leaving. I'm out. Peace. Okay, yes! Dang it. Oh yes, thank you. Oh, that's a victory! Guys, I'm super sorry for tryharding in that game, but 2 kills and a victory. I mean, I rate that 100%. Oh my, I almost forgot I was recording. I probably am gonna edit out a heck of a lot of that, because I literally tryharded my butt off, but I did win that. Oh my gosh. Alright. Hope you guys did enjoy. Oh my gosh. But yeah, definitely do hope y'all did enjoy. Remember to smash that like button. Subscribe so you can see all my videos. Turn on notifications so you know when I post. You'll get notified. And comment down your suggestions for what I should do or your thoughts. And I'll see you guys next time.